बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 9 लीगल पैसेज रिकॉर्ड बाय सदाम चौधरी बाबा फरीद, शॉर्ट हैंड एंड टाइपिंग भावनगर। द लाइबिलिटी ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स द कंट्रोलिंग अथॉरिटीज ऑफ कंपनी कॉमा इन अ कॉर्पोरेट criminal liability is elaborately considered by this court in the case of Ali Akbar full stop in the aforesaid case comma while considering the circumstances when a director person in charge of the affairs of the company can also be prosecuted comma when the company is an accused person comma this court has held comma a corporate entity is an artificial person which acts through its officers comma directors comma managing director comma chairman comma etc full stop. If such a company commits an offence involving mens rea comma it would normally be the intent and action of that individual who would act on behalf of the company. At the same time, it is observed that it is the cardinal principle of criminal jurisprudence that there is no vicarious liability unless the statute specifically provides for full stop. It is further held by this court comma an individual who has perpetrated the commission of an offence on behalf of the company can be made an accused comma along with the company comma if there is sufficient evidence of his active role coupled with criminal intent full stop. Further, it is also held that an individual can be implicated in those cases where statutory regime itself attracts the doctrine of vicarious liability comma by specifically incorporating such a provision full stop new para. Though there are allegations of negligence on the part of hotel and its officers who are in charge of day-to-day affairs of the hotel comma so far as appellant accused number 2 Ali is concerned comma no allegation is made directly attributing negligence with the criminal intent attracting provisions under section 336 338 read with section 32 of IPC full stop taking contents of the final report as it is. We are of the view that comma there is no reason and justification to proceed against him only on ground that he was the managing director of Ali Hotel North Limited comma which runs Hotel Regency full stop. The mere fact that he was chairing the meetings of the company and taking decisions comma by itself cannot directly link the allegation of negligence with the criminal intent comma so far as appellant accused number 2 applying the judgment in the case of Suhail Khan. We are of the view that the said view expressed by this court comma supports the case of appellant accused number 2 full stop new para. By applying the ratio laid down by this court in the case of Abbas Ali, it is clear that an individual either as a director or a managing director or chairman of the company can be made an accused comma along with the company comma only if there is sufficient material to prove his active role coupled with the criminal intent full stop.